Alright, here's the 2000 Jeep Cherokee Sport that I'm selling. It is a 4.0 automatic two-wheel drive. Like it says in the description, it is two-wheel drive, not four-wheel drive. It's mostly all original, from what I know, except for the head that I replaced on the engine. Everything else should be original. I got it with 89,000 miles. It now has 96,000 miles, and it is my daily driver, so as I continue to drive it, the miles do climb up, but I just hit 96,000, so I doubt I'll go any much higher than that. As you can see, the paint's in pretty good condition. It's not peeling or flaking. There's very, very, very minimal rust, which is right here. I don't believe there's anywhere else on the body or underneath. I have the original sport rims, the steel ones that I could include with this instead of these. These are off of a Grand Cherokee. I think the sport ones look better. I just had these laying around, so they just ended up on there. I am missing the flare for this side. You can find them at your auto parts store or at a junkyard anywhere around you. I just haven't had the chance to find one. Let's take a look inside. See the trunk. The headliner is in great condition. The carpets could go for a shampoo, and probably the seats. But other than that, everything else inside is real nice. The headliner is all there, not ripped or anything. Inside's very clean. Power windows, power locks. We do have an airbag here, as well as one in the steering wheel. Cassette player. And I do have the adapter that goes in the cassette player for an aux cord. If you'd like, I could include that. You have your two power outlets right here. And the AC does blow, but it doesn't blow cold, and I could show you that it blows in the video once I start the vehicle. And like I said, it is two-wheel drive, not four-wheel drive, and it is an automatic. or 96,000 miles. It says check gauges. That's because the oil pressure sensor is kind of on its way out. The light comes on and off, but I'm just being honest with you here. I might be able to get you an extra sensor that I can include with the Jeep, and it's really easy to put in. If I have the time, I'll try to do it for you. The radio works. The AC blows nice and strong. But it probably just needs a charge. Power windows work. Then we could take it for a quick drive around the block. gets up to speed no problem. Very nice and quiet, makes an awesome daily driver. I bought it with 89,000 miles from a friend of mine. He had overheated it and blew the head gasket and cracked the head. I inspected the block was fine. The head was cracked, so I replaced it with a brand new casting, not a remanufactured one. It is a brand new head. I have receipts for all of that. I'll try to find and include with the rest of the paperwork for the Jeep. And I've put a new water pump in it, thermostat, all the gaskets that go with it. And then the brand new head with valves, springs, all that. So it's a great daily. I just don't really have a need for it right now. I build Jeeps as a hobby, mostly Cherokees. So I have my own builds in the works, and I just use this one as a daily for a little bit. But I'd like to focus more on my other projects. But as you can see, gets up to speed no problem, runs nice and smooth, drives straight. This would be a great build for anybody that's looking for a very clean, original, unmolested Jeep to lift and I mean, it could be converted to four-wheel drive if that's really what you want to do. It's definitely possible, and I think it'd be worth it if this is something you're looking to build. Stops great. Let's take a look under the hood. As you can see, very nice and quiet, very clean, no leaks. See the new water pump in there, new thermostat with gasket, the new head, exhaust manifold gaskets. So if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message, and thank you for your interest.